Hey guys, I'm in the kitchen today, finally again, doing a video. And the reason I'm doing this because I got to make two separate meals because I'm cooking up some venison backstrap. And Brandy and Autumn will not eat it. Go figure. And I'm cooking them up some pork chops today. What I'm gonna do with theirs, I'm gonna kind of sear it a little bit, and I'm gonna cheat today and use this pork gravy to smother it with. And I'm gonna cheat on my venison. I'm gonna sear it up in the crock pot. I'm gonna use this to smother it with. I wished I had some mushrooms to go in there, but I couldn't find any. I usually have a spare of a couple of cans of mushrooms in the pantry, but couldn't find none. So y'all stick around for the cook. Well, it's starting to smoke a little bit, so I better throw some meat in there. Well, we got some nice looking little back straps here. See, this is it. Got some bacon fat in there. Couple of small pieces. I'm gonna be eating good. I can eat all this by myself. Okay, that's the sizzling away. I'm gonna throw 3 cloves of garlic and a quarter of an onion in there. Big chopped up pieces. Go ahead and flip that over. Kind of thick a little bit. All right. Now I'm going to throw a little bit of seasoning on it. Some brisket raw. That should be good. Be generous. We got some roasted garlic here, plus the garlic I'll put in there. Never have enough garlic unless you get too much and that's all you taste. Well, I got more garlic. I thought I'd grab onion. Oh well, a little more of that. I'm gonna find the onion. I found it. I'm gonna be putting the same thing on the pork chop. Might as well. rub them on top of each other. That way you don't have to keep seasoning. Come on, man. There we go. I can miss that one. Now, since the gravy calls for 3 cups of water, I'm going to pour 1 cup of water in here and cook it. Pressure cook it. Then all I need to do is mix my gravy with 2 cups of water and see how that turns out. So it's about time to pour some water in her. I got other things to do. Remember, I got to cook them pork chops too. So hopefully 1 cup will cover this, almost. You know what? That's close enough for right now. Now I'm going to cover her. I got some red potatoes I'm going to throw in there with it. Come on. There it is. So I need to cancel that. And pressure cook for about, I'm going to put on 30 minutes. That ought to be tender, hopefully. So, guys, I'm going to the pork chops now. Well, this is the last batch, so I'm gonna put in a cup and a half of water. Maybe that'll cover them all. It probably won't. But that's only 4. I got the other 4 here.
This is super
I might be able to mix that gravy mix in 1 cup of water. I think that'll get it. Let that cook for a little while. And I got a lid here that fits one of my big stainless pots. It fits this skillet perfectly. How about that? So I'll be back. I'm gonna mix up the pork gravy for the pork chops now. Okay, guys, I got the pork gravy. Since I got 1.5 cups of water over there, and I got 1.5 here, so it calls for 3 cups of water to mix it in, but I think I can get away with mixing it in 1.5 cups. We'll see. It's not bad, Southern Mills. At least they got big packages where you can make 3 cups. I made some of the pepper gravy with Jim and Dean's sausage gravy. Autumn loves that stuff. She ate almost half of it, of the whole batch. Well, that mixed up just fine. Let's see what's gonna happen over here. It's gonna be hard to mix with them chops. I might pull the chops out, put them over here on this dish, then mix it up. What do y'all think? I'm gonna cut this fire off because I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna pull these out right now. Be easier to stir that way. Now, crock pot, it don't matter. It'll mix it all together. I love it, crock pot cooking. Well, pressure cooking, not crock pot. What am I thinking? Come on, Charlie, quit shaking. I got it. Oh, I'll throw this over here. I'm gonna do that gravy for the deer the same way. Turn it back up. I got some red potatoes I'm gonna throw in here too. Let's bring the gravy up to a boil. Hopefully it'll get started here pretty quick. One, two, three, four. And the pigs. Y'all hang in there. Start the bowl. That's what I wanted to see. So it got thicker. Well, time to put the meat in. Pork chops. Turn the fire down now. That's gonna be wonderful. Well, no wonder my wife loves me. She got a personal chef. I'm gonna turn that fire off. I'm gonna get this stuff out of my way. It's gonna go in the oven at 375 for about 30-40 minutes. Well, it's already preheated. Oh, let's go. Well, that's 6 minutes on the deer meat, so I'm gonna get that gravy mixed up. But y'all don't have to watch that. I already showed y'all how to mix, way I mix this. Southern Mills. No, I'm calling it Southern Mills. It's Southeastern Mills. Established 1941. If you can believe that, I don't know. Oh well, I'm gonna get this gravy mixed up, and when the pressure cooker is ready, well, I'll pour it in there and go another 15 or 20 minutes. Stick around. Okay guys, time to take the lid off. Smelly good. Time to throw some of these red potatoes in there. Whoop. Time to pour in the gravy mixture. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put it on open sear so it'll thicken up a little bit. Well, not thicken up, just get it mixed up and keep it hot. I think that's gonna get it. So I'm gonna put this back on pressure cook for about, let me fill that neat. Probably 20 minutes. Still a little hard to stab. So, here we go again. What was that? So the timer on the pork chops went off, so I'm gonna check it out. Let's see what it looks like. Potatoes are done. Pork chops are really done, but it's about an hour before Brenda gets home, so I'm gonna lower this down just to like 225. Just let it simmer until she gets here. See you in a little while. And we'll be back for the taste test, guys. Okay, guys. It's finished time for a taste test.
Yeah.
She got the pork chop, I got the deer meat.
I'm telling you, this pork chop is fork tender.
Yeah. Piece of meat, and little taters, and gravy.
Oh, that's so good. I got pork chop and taters and gravy. Mmm.
And the leftovers tomorrow, I'll make mashed potatoes and put it over that. Because I didn't put that many red potatoes in it.
What you think, Autumn? Is it good?
Is it yummy?
Mouth throws chewing. It is good. You did an amazing job, honey.
For a quick meal.
Yes, very much.
So, gonna end it?
Yeah.
Tell them.
Tell them.
We're gonna end it.
Y'all make sure to stay safe, be blessed, keep on homesteading.
God bless each and every one of you.
Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below.
And what else?
Please subscribe and hit the bell.
Ring the bell.
She's worried about getting food.
All right, guys, we're gonna go eat. We'll
Bye,
see you
y'all.
on the next video.
Bye.
The potatoes are not.